preparations ang dapat na ginagawa ng Senate ngayon, knowing na pagbobotohan na po yung impeachment sa Kamara po?
Well, first of all, kahit nung araw na Senate President ako, bago mag-resume ang sessions, I usually call for all Senator caucus to discuss the possible agenda that we may be able to pass. Sa LEDAC and then more so now, dahil there is a possibility that the articles of impeachment might be transmitted by the House. Pero as of now, everything is speculative. If ever, di ba? So what we will be doing in this caucus will be to, well, discuss the agenda for the next month, and the last month of the first regular session of the 20th Congress. And then the possibility of receiving the articles of impeachment, then we will discuss the possibility of what preparation should be done. And the timetable.
Yes.
Yun ang crucial eh. As of now, the crucial is timetable. So again, everything will rely on whether the articles of impeachment will be transmitted to us or not.
Gaano po kahalaga na handa ang Senado if ever iakyat yung articles of impeachment at kailangan nyo mag-convene na?
Napakahalagang nakahanda kami because the country, our countrymen are looking at this very seriously. Minomonitor nila yung sa House, di ba? So they will expect us to do our job once we receive it. Pero again, once we receive it.
May pressure
pa na tayo.
May pressure ba sa inyo, sir? Especially VP Sara ito, kilalang personalidad ito, Vice President itong ini-impeach.
Dapat ang mentality namin hindi ganyan. Dapat ang mentality namin, we have to do our job. We have to be impartial. Kahit sino pa yung ipapadala sa amin na articles of impeachment, we have to read, we have to look at it at a very impartial attitude. So, wala lahat dapat isipin na gano'n.
Sir, pero kasi
ano po yung possible timeline? Kasi ang sabi po ni Chair Luistro ay May 11 daw possible magbotohan yung House of Plenary.
Ganun pa.
transmit na rin daw po.
Kasi nung ang balita ko nung una was when they resume on Monday, they'll discuss it already. So kung May 11 yan, that means
May 11 is a Monday.
May 11 pa lang nila mabotohan eh. So I cannot answer your question.
But sabi nyo crucial the timetable. Why?
O syempre, kasi may break eh. The Senate, the legislative body, will be on break by June 5. So that will be both houses of Congress. But then again, the impeachment court is different from the Senate. So kailangan pag-usapan namin yung timetable.
But if the
Just in case. Pero again, ayoko nang, kasi lahat yan speculative eh. Hintayin muna natin yung articles of impeachment. If they pass it and they will transmit, then we discuss everything else.
But if there is a need to convene the impeachment court, it should happen hanggang June 5 lang, habang nasa session kayo. Tama po ba?
Hindi. We can extend. Depende sa Senate.
Just to convene,
Hindi.
you can extend.
The impeachment court can extend.
The impeachment
Not the
court.
Senate.
No, the convening SP. The
Convening
session.
kung May 11 natanggap, let's say, pinasa nila.
Yeah.
Yun ang ayoko kasi pag-usapan.
If ever lang is
speculative eh. O, sige,
speculative.
if ever, pinasa nila, 11. O, then 12, transmit nila. O, then dapat 13, we will discuss it already and convene as an impeachment court.
Pero hindi kailangan na naka-session bago mag-convene ang impeachment court. Or kailangan in session yung legislative.
Hindi, kailangan yung Senate in session para tanggapin. Para tanggapin.
Do you have enough budget for the impeachment, sir?
Yes, I think so.
You have enough budget for it?
Meron naman. Meron kasing budget last year eh. Na hinalat sila eh.
27, sir.
Gano'n ba kagastos, sir, ang
tingin ko,
impeachment?
Hindi, dito, ang tansya namin, mga 12.6 ganun na naman yun.
Thank you, SP.